Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge contacts in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, make sure that you have some merged contacts or duplicates so we can merge them. So here in my accounts, I have this account that has these three merged contacts. And now to merge them, all we need to do is to switch to the classic Salesforce. Since in the Lightning experience, there is no way or no direct way to merge the contacts. So as you can see, if we go from here, there is no merging. Also, there is no merging from here. Even if you go to the contacts directly, you won't be able to merge. So even if we go here, we won't find any merging option. So simply, all we need to do is to switch to Salesforce Classic. So we click on Switch to Salesforce Classic, and then it will take us to the page. After that, we need just to go to the accounts. So from here, you will need just to choose the account that has these duplicates. We can click on this one, so we can access to this account. And as we can see here, there is the merge contacts field or button. So simply we need just to click on merge contacts, and it will find out all the contacts to merge. You can just click on next, and after that you can just choose which one is the master record and which one are the child. And after that you will need just to click on merge and click OK to confirm, and that's it. So now if we go back to the contacts, we will find only one contact merged in this one. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.